What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to set the timing on your 2015 Dodge Charger. Okay, now keep in mind this is basically straight up from All Data. All right, All Data is the source. And if you notice, I'm going to bring you right here. We're gonna begin with the left side. Okay, here we go. This is the left side, which is going to be the passenger side. If you notice, you can pause the screen right now. You have to line up these two lines right here. So on the passenger side, right side, you need to line up those two lines. And on the driver's side, left side, you need to line up those arrows. So once you have the arrows lined up, I'm gonna point them out to you. Number 1 and number 2, these arrows are supposed to be facing each other, and the lines are supposed to be going away, all right, away from each other on the driver's side. Now on the passenger side, it's going to be the same thing. Okay, I'm going to turn on the flash on this side, maybe see a little bit better. But on this side, you have to line up the lines right here. These two lines, you line these two up, and the arrows are going to be pointing the other way, just like the other side. And now at the bottom, it's kind of tricky because some cars will show it very visibly and some won't. So I'm gonna see if I can show it to you guys. Let me see. Hang on, I'm gonna cut. Okay, here we go, guys. So what you are seeing in the middle right now is the crank pulley, and the crank has this line right here. It's like a thing so you can line it up, right? I don't know what it's called, don't quote me on this, but if you follow this line, it's gonna have a tooth right here. You have to count 5 teeth to your left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, and teeth number 5 has to line up with this mark right here in the back. Do you see that mark in the back where I have the screwdriver? So teeth number 5 has to line up with that mark right there. And that is how you set the timing on your Dodge Charger 3.6. You can do so by grabbing a 27mm socket and spinning it clockwise. All right, and in turn is going to spin everything and get it in line. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.